A look at the business stories we're following today. The Tokyo Stock Exchange has approved the initial public offering for messaging app operator Line. Executives at the firm want to raise money to expand overseas. The Japanese company's 5-year-old free messaging application is ranked by some at 7th for global market share. Shares in what will be one of Japan's largest IPO of the year are expected to debut in July. Line's initial market capitalization could be about $5.6 billion. The company is also eyeing an eventual listing on the New York Stock Exchange. Line is a subsidiary of a major South Korean IT firm, Naver, but its headquarters is in Tokyo. It says it provides services in more than 230 countries and territories to over 218 million people. We're going to look at the company's history and strategy for the future.
Line's business model links paid digital content, like games and music streaming, to its free messaging app. Partnerships with credit card companies make other features, like money transfers, possible. One factor behind its quick rise is a feature called stickers. They are images people can post to express their feelings. It's especially popular among young users, and many companies have created their own stickers.
For messages like OK, I always use stickers.
The app is an absolute necessity for me.
The service launched in 2011, the same year a massive earthquake and tsunami hit northeastern Japan. Telephone lines were disrupted in the aftermath, and that led to the idea of a free messaging service that uses cell phone data. It helped in Kumamoto during earthquakes that hit in April. Doctors used it to share information in what was an unstable communication situation. While Line has grown quickly in some areas, one of its challenges is the relatively limited market. 70% of users are concentrated in Japan, Taiwan, Thailand, and Indonesia.
I'm often in contact with people abroad, but Line is not that popular everywhere, so I rarely use it.
In areas like the United States and Europe, Line users are on the decline, dropping by 15 million over 12 months. The company hopes the simultaneous listings in Japan and the US will boost its international profile. It also wants to use funds raised on stock markets to strengthen its sales and ad strategies. And in Japan, the company is looking to increase its use beyond young people and with a larger segment of the population, seniors.
I use email a lot. I never use Line.
With around half of Japanese people sticking to older types of phones, Line is looking more broadly. It's announced that it will soon enter the low-priced smartphone business, an expansion that would take it much further than the original app.